Hello students, welcome to new video of class 10th mathematics chapter circle, video number 6. In the previous videos we explained all the topics cover and all the big questions, 4 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks questions cover in the previous video. Today we take the small questions and the questions we have to given in your test. See what types of problem you are facing. Means small questions, but you are facing a problem to attempt the questions. 1 marks, 2 marks question, because I have some tricks. Just like a small trick use, if I say this is a circle and two tangents are drawn from the external point P, PA and PB. So we always say these are radius and these are the tangent. This is also tangent and they are equal. The radius equal. These angle make right angle because tangents make 90 degree with the radius, and these two angle AOB plus angle APB is called 180 degree, opposite angle. So AOBP is a cyclic quadrant. But some student message me, sir, this point P is not a lie on a circle, so why it is cyclic quadrant? Because cyclic quadrant means ABCD is a cyclic quadrant. Yes, but I am not say only 4 points lie on a circle is cyclic quadrant. What's the property of the cyclic quadrant? If angle A plus angle C 180 degree, angle B plus angle D 180 degree. So if this given, so these are compulsory. If this given, so these are compulsory. So same here, sum of opposite angles. This and this 180 degree, this and this also 180 degree. So AOBP is cyclic quadrant of other circle, not this. Means any circles is passing through from this. So AOBP is cyclic quadrant because it follows the properties of the cyclic quadrant. And you know, if we extend this, so this is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrant. So here you also can find the exterior angles. Just like if I extend this, so this angle x, so this angle also x. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrant for this. So these are small things I have used in the questions. One more things we say, suppose a tangent at A and the diameter. And if any point C on this, find x. If this angle 60. So can you directly see AB is the diameter, so angle ACB is equal to 90. Class 9th. angle on diameter. Class 9 theorem. This is diameter, so this angle 90. So value of x plus 60 plus 90, 180, x is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, if you want to find the value of y, so 60 plus y is equal to 90 because 80 is tangent. 60 plus y, 90 because 80 is tangent. So y is equal to 30. So you can also say x is equal to y. So the figure is just like this. This tangent, the triangle form just like this. So this angle and this angle also always equal. For the same logic. Okay. So they are the small topics of class 9th are usually used in this chapter. So don't be forget that. Okay. Pause, we note down. In the given figure, a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD with AB 6 cm, BC 7 cm, CD 4 cm. Find the length of AD. ABCD is a quadrilateral and the circle touch inside the quadrilateral. So AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter. Find the length of AD. So this is a very good questions. Many times board examinations questions come. If you started from here, AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. Tangent from external point A. Same BP is equal to BQ. Tangent from external point B. Tangent from external point C, D. CQ is equal to CR and DR is equal to DS. Here nothing is given for the partition. Whole line segments are given. But we want AD. So if I say AD is equal to X plus Y, take here this part X and this part Y. So what can you say about this here? Let's see. AP is equal to AS is equal to Y. So what's the length of BP? We can say BP is equal to AB minus AP, and AB is 6 and AP is Y. So BP and BQ is equal to 6 minus Y. This is 6 minus Y. Sorry. This is Y. This is 6 minus Y. This is 6 minus Y. So that your choice. You can proceed from here or here. Same. If you take dr equal to ds is equal to x. So what's the value of RC? RC is equal to whole 4 minus x. Same logic. So CQ is equal to CR 4 minus x. So from here we can take here y 6 minus y 6 minus y, x 4 minus x 4 minus x. So we can say BC is equal to CQ plus QB. This plus this is 7. This is 4 minus x plus 6 minus y. X and y sent to opposite side. 6 plus 4 10 minus 7, and x plus y make the AD is equal to 3 centimeter. If you understand these concepts, this is a very easy concept. Means from any point take and round, and you have to get always an equation form. You can also take from here to here, means y 6 minus y 6 minus y 7 minus this, we get this, but we have to have the difficult. But if we move from both sides, so one equation form x and y make the AD. Pause, we note down. This is a very one marks question only. If circle and equator circumscribing the circle angle AOB 125, find the value of angle COD. So directly you can say angle AOB plus angle COD equal to 180. Angles formed by opposite side of circumscribing quadrature. We already proved in the theorems. This some 180, this some 180. So we can directly say this 125 COD 180. So angle COD is equal to 180 minus 125, 55 degree. Only one marks questions, means these types of questions have to no logic, no time wasting, only see the question and write the answer. Same if I say one more question. Means only this type question. A, P, B. Sorry. (65 degree) angle ACB. Means without any wasting of time, we can say this is 65 degree, but how? We say 90 degree, but how? So if we know the concept, because in the examinations are many options, 65 degree, 115 degree means answer are depending on mind thinking. Student has to write the same value. So 65, one option 65. Student find the supplementary angle, so one option is 115 degree. Student want to find the complementary angle, one answer is 15 degree, 25 degree. So which the correct options? So we can join this. And we can say angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 65 degree supplementary angle. Means this value is 750 degree. Then if this is 115 degree, so angle ACB is equal to angle AOB by 2. Angle on same arc. Class 9th theorem. On this point, arc AB, one angle form on center, other angle form on the circle. So the circle angle is double the center angle is double the circle angle, or you can say circle angle is the half of center angle. So you can say 115 by 2, 57.5 degree. Means they are only the basic questions we have to need to find them. So pause with note downs. We take the next question. See this question, a very good question, and the combination of trigonometry and circle. And in circle, very many questions have used this concept. What's question? Let's see. If two tangents inclined at an angle of 60 degree are drawn to a circle of radius 3 cm, then find the length of each tangent. Means two tangents inclined at the 60 degree. Of radius 3 cm, find the length of AP. Firstly, directly you can join OP. This angle 90. So in triangle AOP, angle A90. This angle 30. So if you see, for this triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Perpendicular given, we want base. So we can use tan 30. Perpendicular OA upon base AP. Tan 30 1 by root 3, OA 3. So AP equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. So BP is equal to AP is equal to 3 root 3, because tangent from the external point always equal. So in this question we have to use trigonometry concept. They also a good topic for this chapter. Pause, wait, note down. See this question, also a very good question. See basic questions. In the given figure, AB and CD are the common tangent of two circles with unequal radii. Means this one big and one small circle. So prove that AB is equal to CD. You know, it's very easy question. Only upon construction, AB and CD increase and meet at P. So PB is equal to PD, tangent from external point P. Of a circle. PA is equal to PC, tangent from external point P of circle of center Q, radius R, of circle of center O, radius R. First equation and second equation. Subtract equation first from second. So PA minus PB, PC minus PD, PA minus PB, we get AB. Same PC minus PD, we get CD. I hope so you understand what's means small topic used to solve the questions. Pause window down. One more questions of similar logic in the previous question. In the given figure, common tangent AB and CD are two circles intersect at E. Means two circles are different radii or the same radii, doesn't matter. But the common tangent intersect at E. AB and CD intersect at E. So prove that AB equal to CD. If AB and CD are the common tangent, so we can directly say for the small circle A is equal to CE, tangent from E of circle O, center O, radius R. First equation. Same for here. BE is equal to DE, equation second, tangent from external point E of circle Q, radius R. Here we want the whole side, so add equation first and second. So AE plus B, CE plus D. What's you get? AB. What's you get? CD. Mean the similar logic, but here we in previous question we subtract them, here we add them. Okay, pause, we note down. One more good question, starting from your side. In the joining figure, three circles with center ABC touches each other externally if AB 5, BC 7 and CA 6 cm, and find the radius of the circle with center A. We can find all the radii. Means a triangle, center A, B and C. Suppose intersect at P, Q and R. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Here is not a tangent, but same type of logic I use. If I say AP is equal to PR, AR, radii of circle, center A, radius R1, same BP is equal to BQ, radii of circle, center B, radius R2, CQ is equal to CR, radii of circle, center A, radius R3. Means these two equal, these two equal. Same, we want AP, X, this is also X. So what's the value of BP? Same, if this is X, this whole is 5, so this is 5 minus X, 5 minus X. Same, X, this is 6, this is 6 minus X, 6 minus X. So BC is equal to BQ plus QC, and BC is 7. Means two sides value use here and one here. BQ is 5 minus X, CQ is 6 minus X. So this is 11 minus 2x, 11 minus 7, 2x, x is equal to 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. Means if I say first radius, center O, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Means R1 2 centimeter, that's your answer. But if you want to find them, R2 5 minus x, R3 6 minus x. Means the same concept used here. Pause, we note down.